The latch lever on my sliding patio door broke. The door is a 12-year-old Jeld-Wen premium vinyl sliding patio door. I purchased this Primeline E2307 replacement lever from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. The packet contains a lever, nylon washer, retaining washer, wave washer, and tailpiece. The new lever is about 1/4 inch shorter than the original, but will do the trick. And here is the old broken lever on the left and the new lever on the right. Tools to be used: a hammer, tape, 3/8 inch socket, and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Let's begin by cutting 2 lengths of tape and taping the outside handle to the door. Then remove the 2 Phillips screws to remove the inside handle. Next, remove the old washers and tailpiece. We'll reuse the old tailpiece instead of cutting the new tailpiece. To install the new lever, place the nylon washer on the lever. Place the handle on the lever and washer. Next, position the wave washer. Then insert the old tailpiece and place the retaining washer. Now position the 3/8 inch socket on the retaining ring and tap the socket with your hammer. Give the lever a quick test. With the door open, note the orientation of the tailpiece keyway and orient the tailpiece the same way with the lever in the 1 to 2 o'clock position. Now place the tailpiece into the keyway and the handle back on the door. Reinstall the 2 Phillips screws. Then press in the latch release button and test the operation of the lever and latch. Next, close the door and test again. Finally, remove the tape. Just like new.